Good afternoon. Today is 13th of February and we have made another stop here on the Trans-Siberian journey, and this station I can pronounce. Let's see, it's Karimskaya, and we're trying to debate with the Devushka as to what time it is here, and lots of kids here today on the platform. So the train is just unbelievably huge, and I really don't know how many carriages it has. I'm still trying to guess. Oh, it's 8 here on this side, so mine is 10. So I guess the carriages are just big, and altogether it must be like 20 or at least 16 maybe. And I'm just going to let the camera do the talking. Oh, here are these kids who came by my cabin. And yeah, they all came by my cabin. I don't know what, they're all in a group tour of something. Whoa, what is an army of workers? I have to go, so I'm running with the camera. This guy is asking me to come. Wagon. Wagon. Спасибо. Okay. Спасибо.